Escamis pounded by Monje from behind. He's got Quahao now. Hobilia steps into the three. Oh, Hobilia banks it home.
May halong swerte pa si Chris Hobilia. Escamis din big to big ball screen to. That's play number 1 for Mapua.
Hobilia will attack. Hobilia easily lays it in. 7-2 start for Mapua. Over the struggling Letran Knights. Here's the pass. It is deflected and stolen. Hobilia on the move. Chris Hobilia hard to stop in transition.
And one pa. Dahil pag nakabuelo si Chris Hobilia, that's his game. Open court, and when he gets a full head of steam, ang hirap pigilan. Dahil matangkad, athletic, kaya tumanggap ng contact, and he can control his body. Come on, kanina may isang attempt, tas ngayon, 50% from 3. On this quarter.
8 puntos na para kay Kobe Monje.
Good pass.
Pass underneath. Chris Hobilia bumawi para sa Mapua.
Good luck.
At si Nat Montecillo, yun talagang walang takot umaatake sa depensa nitong Cardinals. Chris Hobilia will be set up underneath. They go to Montecillo. Montecillo on the cross. Ooh! Recto. Nabasa yung pasa. And JC will be rewarded on the other end. Bucket and beyond for JC Recto.
Double block. Ay, mag-turnover sa kabila. In transition, nag-give up ka pa ng 3-point play.
No-look pass by Chris Hobilia to the running JC Recto.
One step too late. As Taekwondo.
Gawin mo na yun sa lahat ng officials, wag lang kay Glenn Cornelio na favorite tawagan yun.
Yep.
Chris Hobilia on the reverse.
That was a bailout shot by Jace Miller.
Jace Miller now with 9 points in the game. 2 triples. Both shots of Miller made from 3-point range. Hobilia on the cut. 15 to go in the ball game. Hobilia
Yun na naman yung small to big ball screen nila. Fake handoff, ball screen.
Short stop is good for Chris Hobilia.
Going for that matchup.
Halfway through here in the fourth quarter, 9-point game. Hobilia, one more time, 19 points now for Chris Hobilia.